As a parent, hearing your child cough may make you feel uneasy. Whether your child has been coughing for a few days or a few weeks, it's important to determine the cause and what the best treatment is for a specific type of cough. We chat to Paediatrician Dr. Meshandree Naidoo on the different types of coughs your child may be experiencing and how you can treat it. Welcome to The Loft, Doctor.
Good afternoon, Teresa. Thank you for having me on your show.
Good afternoon. Now, do children get coughs for the same reasons adults do?
No, they don't. And I think that we have to realize that children are not mini adults. Children cough for different reasons. Their presentation, the causes, and the management is very different to adults. Children also have very different airway structures. Their control of the cough reflex is different. And what we have to understand is that they also have very immature and developing immune systems. And these are some of the reasons why children cough for other reasons compared to adults.
Doctor, what does it mean when you cough? I hear that it's the body's natural defense system to clear mucus.
You're quite right, Palesa. Coughing is a vital protective reflex mechanism that allows us to clear mucus, foreign particles, and microbes from our airways. When the cough receptors in our lining is irritated, then nerve signals pass to the cough center in the brain, which then allows us to cough. And this is known as the cough reflex. So in essence, being a protective mechanism, it is not good for us to actually suppress a cough unless we know what the underlying cause is.
Very good to know. Thank you for that, Doc. Now, you have acute type coughs, and then you have chronic coughs. What's the difference between these?
So doctors use the terms acute and chronic to classify cough based on its time frame. So in a child who's coughing for under 4 weeks, we would term that acute, and the commonest cause would be viral respiratory tract infections. In any child that's coughing for longer than 4 weeks, we would term this a chronic cough, and this generally will have some other sort of diagnosis which needs to be further investigated.
So what are the most common causes of coughs in children, and how do we treat them differently?
So cough is actually one of the most common presenting complaints to general practitioners and pediatricians alike. And it really can affect a child's ability to sleep, to play, to feed, and it also causes great concern for the parent. So by far, the commonest cause of cough in children is acute respiratory viral infections. Children can cough for 10 to 14 days post a viral infection, which is quite a long time for any parent. But I think being viral infections, we have to understand that they are self-limiting. So the treatment is minimal. It is supportive treatment. We require paracetamol to treat fevers, ensure good hydration in a child. The second commonest cause that we see is asthma, and we all know that allergies are on the rise. Asthma presents in children with a chronic dry cough, and this needs to be addressed as the management is chronic, requiring an inhaler device.
Doctor, with all this information, when should we be concerned?
So I think that alarm bells should ring in any child who is coughing that has persistent fevers and rapid breathing, shortness of breath, or if the child looks dusky in color. I mean, this could be highly suggestive of a pneumonia. Another red flag would be coughing in a child post a choking episode, because this could also mean that there's a foreign body inhalation and this needs urgent intervention. Children that have chronic coughs, that have sputum production, loss of weight, night sweats, or contact to an adult with, for example, tuberculosis, should also be investigated thoroughly.
Thank you so much, Doctor, for this information, and I'm sure mothers are all equipped with positive information so they can act immediately when they see their child coughing. We appreciate you, Doctor. Cheers.
Thank you very much.
Brought to you by DILINCT Jr., a cough syrup specially formulated for alleviating coughs in young children. DILINCT Jr. is sugar and alcohol-free and recommended for children 2 years and older. DILINCT Junior. Clears a wet cough and thins and loosens chest mucus. Suitable for children from the age of 2 years.